I've always been passionate about baking. It's something I started when I was very young, but I just didn't think it would be my career. The dream was someday to have a cafe of my own. So then I moved to Switzerland to study hospitality and business, and it's there where I discovered that I wanted to be the pastry teacher. I'm obsessed with chocolate, so anything with dark chocolate and salted caramel is definitely my favorite. At the Airbnb experience today, the whole class is based around my favorite salted caramel. So we're going to teach them how to make the caramel, what to look out for. Then we're going to make a basic vanilla cupcake, my go-to cake, and then we're going to top that with popcorn and salted caramel.